Okay, a CK Magma tool bag. It just arrived literally just a few minutes ago in the post. I bought it from from a shop online. I'll probably leave a link down below if you want to get the same. This costed me £52. Yeah, around £52. Actually £52 dead. This is what it looks like. It's got lots of pockets, and yeah, it's nicely structured. Put your spanners here, probably do whatever you know you're used to do, but yeah, I put spanners and pliers, screwdrivers, whatever it is. Some sharpies there, or drill bits on that corner, and there's here the only complaint I have is that it is too narrow. They should have done it slightly wider, so basically you don't have to scratch your hand each time you reach for a tool. Down the bottom there, sometimes a bush spanner gets thrown in there because obviously it doesn't get used as much, or there are cases when I put a massive big screwdrivers, I just drop them right in the end, right down below. So anyway, so yeah, it is a bit narrow. Should have been half an inch wider, this gap, so you don't basically scratch your hand. Well, obviously you can do it, but still, CK is saving money on the material. Done now. The quality is nice, yeah, good feeling. Okay, there's pockets around here, loads of pockets. Alright, you can see your mobile phone or whatever, you little notebook. Nice bag, and it's got a zip, so that's a plus. In the past I used to have one without a zip, so things kept dropping out when you open the bag. It's got this nice belt, well, and this soft bit, so you can strap it on your shoulders. Yeah, it's good quality. Looks like they improved on this. Yeah, there were problems before these snapping, so slightly better, I think. Yeah, let's hope. Let's see. There's another pocket here. It is zipped, which is good. Pocket inside. My last one had a divider for your laptop, so definitely was wider than this. This is okay. Alright, so that's it. That's what it looks like. Yeah. Any comments? And yeah, let me know. It's a Magma electrician's bag. Probably won't do for plumbers. They have big stuff, haven't they? Alright, thanks.